Good morning. My name is Jason. I'm a student nurse, and I was going to come and talk to you about your medicine for your narcolepsy, modafinil.
Okay.
Can I get your name, please?
Beyonce.
Oh, nice to meet you, Beyonce. Last name is Knowles.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I just want to tell you one of the first things you need to look for. Good morning. Is suicidal thoughts, headache, any kind of aggressive tendencies. Sometimes it can cause amnesia, a little confusion, abnormal vision, blood or nosebleeds, fainting. Sometimes people faint when they take this drug, so kind of be on the lookout for those kinds of things.
Yeah, I don't want to faint on stage.
It's not good to faint in the middle of a performance. So something I just want to ask you a couple things about your history or anything that's current that you're taking. So, do you have any left ventricle issues in your heart?
No.
Any ischemic electrocardiogram changes?
Mm-mm.
Do you have any arrhythmias or chest pain?
No.
Okay. What about any MAO inhibitors? Are you taking any of those?
No.
Okay.
Not
good.
that I know of.
Okay. Well then, so far so good. One thing to think about when you're taking this is that caffeine, anything you have that has caffeine in it, can increase the stimulant effect. It's kind of a synergist, if you will. It may also increase the metabolism and decrease the effects of your contraceptive. So if you and Jay-Z are trying to, conceive another baby, then you might want to do other types of birth control that are non-hormonal. So make sure you take it as a dose in the morning, and if you're having sleepiness before a performance, make sure you take it an hour before your performance, or before you go on a stage or have any kind of interviews with Us Weekly or People Magazine. Always take it as directed, and it also may impair judgment. So make sure. Well, obviously you probably have a limo driver, so driving is not an issue for you. But any kind of activity that requires alertness, you want to make sure that you don't do that when you're taking the medication. Also look for signs of anxiety or agitation, any kind of panic attacks or mania, or any kind of suicidal thoughts. If you have any of those, make sure you contact your doctor. Also, if there's any kind of rash or anaphylactic reaction. And also, like I said earlier, make sure you use non-hormonal birth control if you're trying not to conceive. And that's about it. Do you have any other questions for me or before I leave?
No.
Okay, Beyonce, well, it was very nice to meet you. Do you mind signing an autograph for me before I go?
Oh, okay.
Thank you very much.